friends, welcome back to So Sweet. I've been in the garden. As you can tell, I'm all sorts of dirty. And we're having a storm again. It's getting pretty dark. I kind of thought I saw lightning, but it's not loud and it's not scary. So, since it's not hot outside, I'm gonna try to get these onions out of the ground because I read that when these, I don't know if you call them scapes, I call them scapes, when they yellow and curl, that it's time. So whether it's time or not, I can see that we have some decent sized onions. Some might not be so decent. I'm gonna get them out of the ground because I don't want to leave them in too long, and I have more things I'm gonna plant. So first time growing onions, let's see what we've got. He's little. He's bigger. Now I don't know what kind of onions these are. I mean, they're clearly, I think I planted two kinds. I think I planted a white and a yellow, and it kind of looks like that already. My mom got these, they looked like little baby onions, and they're like just starts that you plant. She got those from, I believe, Cal Ranch. So thank you, Cal Ranch. Okay, I thought this was gonna be a lot harder to get these out. This one might. Nope. It's a lot muddier. We've got a little helper in the garden. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my little lady, Kenzie. Grab right here and pull. That looks like a decent one. Get closer. Whoa, nice. Do you want to put them in the bowl?
Yeah.
Thanks, sweetie. Some of my kids want to come and help pull these, which means less work. So I'm gonna get them started over here. Okay, do you see right down here? Pull at the base.
Okay. I got it! Little onion. That's tiny. You gotta go put it in the bowl.
Oh, that is small. They're so deceiving. That looks so big, you'd think that this would be big, but the bulb isn't too big. But we can still eat it. And we're gonna. So the cool thing is these green parts, you can use these. My favorite thing to do and what I've been doing is I come out here, I pull some of these, I chop them up, and I put them in my omelet. And it's really good. They've got a good onion taste, but not like too much. And so I usually grab at least 4 to 6 of them. Since you're gonna have to preserve them, first you gotta cure your onions. So you gotta lay them in a place that has air and no sunlight, like no direct sunlight, and let them sit. I need to look up how long again because I'm not exactly sure, but you let them sit for a while. And then I think before I do that, I'm gonna cut these off, I'm gonna chop them all up, and I'm gonna throw them in the freezer so that I can have the onion greens for my breakfast. Oh, that one's a dud. No, it looks like it was starting to grow and it just didn't. I almost wonder if my soil was too compact. That could be it.
gonna pull this one.
I'm gonna pull this one. I can already see the onion.
This is tiny.
Finally, I got a bigger onion.
Hey, nobody step on the watermelon plant, okay?
Okay. I found the best one, I think.
Well, this one's gonna be. Oh, it's gonna make that one. Jackson.
Yeah,
I
show you
think
guys
I-
closer. Look at how big.
Oh.
I got a huge
Jackson,
one.
look at mine.
That's bigger than mine. Holy crap. Yes. Maybe
This
like
one.
a little smaller version.
This one's small. Can you put that in the bowl?
Yeah. I got a job. I put these in the bowl. You pick them.
Oh.
This one.
Oh. This is big.
Even from a
Dirt
tiny
came
little
off.
stem thing, sure does have a big onion.
He's cute.
Jackson.
Harvesting's fun because you never know with these root vegetables what you're gonna get. You don't know if it's gonna be huge or tiny and cute. You got some good onions coming.
This one's tiny. Didn't grow that much. Kind of looks like it just started to grow or something.
So we just got them all pulled, and we didn't have any huge ones, but we do have really cute ones, and they're all still gonna taste really good. So I'm just grateful that we got some onions and that I didn't absolutely fail my first time planting them. But a good thing to know is the day you planted things. I didn't keep track of that with these. So if you can, write down what day you plant your onions. I would. And then what day abouts you should be able to harvest them, because I think it just makes it a little bit easier, whereas I was a little willy-nilly and just got everything planted as fast as I could. Well, that does it for today. I still have a lot of work to do. The weeds are overpowering everything, and it should be fun getting this all tidied up. Probably for tomorrow though, because the storm is closing in on us. So until next time, bye.